At Wagon, our main objective is to empower you with skills, connections, and support to succeed in the tech world. Hi, I'm Marig, I'm head of career at Wagon, and my job is to make sure that every student, no matter where they are based, find their dream job or found their companies.
Hello, my name is Abigail and I'm one of the careers leads here at Wagon, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what we do and how we change students' lives.
The tech world is changing and it's a challenge to be part of it, but at Wagon we are here to help you get through it.
The aim of our career service here at Wagon is to ensure that all of our students are the best prepared possible for whatever their next career path will be it finding a job, starting a new company, or becoming a freelancer.
We have different types of services for students. Just to notice, it can be during or after the bootcamp. We have one-on-ones, we have lectures, networking events, we have workshops, and we have technical tests.
So at Wagon, we are focused also in helping our students to develop soft skills, not only the hard skills, which are going to then be really important for their next career journey.
We are expecting now that they are able to work in teams, to position. Sometimes they will be directly in contact with the client. The pedagogy at Wagon is really unique. It's a mindset, it's a way to think, it's a way to build application, website, or data sets. And this is really a key for our hiring partners, because they are not selecting our students only because of their technical skills after the bootcamp. They are selecting them for their capability to learn and this passion to learn after that during the first 6 months, but even 1, 2, 3 years. And it's definitely something that we will push also in our community. We build a trust relationship. So for instance, if you take Thales or if you take Capgemini or Google, we have already a lot of alumni working there, as you know. So it's what we try to build on in order to think really long-term relationship and not only short-term for placing only one student.
If you're looking to have a life-changing experience, then do come and join Wagon.